Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and yeah, let's just get into it. So um first thing I'm going to do is I have a little eyebrow comb. I'm just going to comb all the hairs the opposite way that they normally lay, just like this. So I'm going to comb them just like this. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my scissors. It's better if you use like smaller scissors, but I don't have any. And I'm just going to cut that extra hair off. And I'm going to show y'all a trick. So a trick is to use some gel. So that they stay in place when you trim them. And you can actually see better what you want to cut. So now I'm going to do the underneath hairs. Alright, so I have my eyebrow razor now, and I've already wet it. So I'm going to go ahead and work on my brows. So the way I do is I start up, just like this. And for me, I just go with the natural arch of my eyebrow. Alright, y'all, so now I'm going to take a baby wipe or a rag, whatever you got, and wipe the gel off of my eyebrows. Alright, so for me, I'm done with my eyebrows. I just wanted to clean them up a little bit so that when I do like my makeup tutorials or whatever, my eyebrows will look a little better. But that's just how I do my eyebrows. Just follow the natural shape or whatever. I don't really try to draw them, recreate them. I just, you know, kind of go with the flow of them a little bit. My eyebrows are really thick, so I don't want to mess them up because I just love how thick they actually are. One last thing that I'm going to do is, if you have some alcohol, this is just, you know, regular alcohol. I'm going to put some on this Q-tip and just run it through your eyebrow. So I just run it like around my eyebrows, and let me get another one. Alright, y'all, so this is how I do my eyebrows. I hope y'all like it. I will put a before and after somewhere in this video, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.